Thanks for choosing 180 Closet Design. Today, we're looking at 8 tips to keep your garage organized. Number 1. Try hanging items on your walls to avoid clutter. Number 2. Consider storing items up along the ceiling of your garage for cool and out-of-the-way storage. Number 3. Install cabinets in your garage for maximized storage space. Number 4. Create extra space in your garage by utilizing a pegboard. Number 5. Boxes, boxes, and more boxes. Number 6. Install magnetic strips along the walls to store your tools efficiently. Number 7. Hang small jars underneath your shelves to store small items like screws. Number 8. Label all of your boxes and cabinets to make everything much easier to find. Visit 180closetdesign.com for even more tips for organizing your living space.